Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your math teacher. I welcome you all to the recorded session of mathematics. Students, as you have already learned Roman numerals in grade 3 and you have also learned in the previous guided assignment where you reinforced how to write Roman numerals from 1 till 10. Today we are going to learn Roman numerals from 11 to 50. Let's reinforce about the Roman numeral system. Roman numerals were used by the ancient Romans as their numbering system. We still use them in many ways. Remember, where do we use Roman numerals? We use them for ranking as first, second, third, etc. We also use them for writing classroom numbers. Often they are used for writing the numbers on clock dials. Now you have to find more examples around you where you would see the Roman numerals. The Roman numeral system uses only 7 symbols that are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. I represents 1, V represents 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. Different arrangements of these 7 symbols represent different numbers. Let's reinforce Roman numerals from 1 to 10. 1 is written as I. The letter I means 1. 2 is written as II. That means 1 plus 1. Similarly, we can write 3 by using the letter I. 4 is written as IV. It means 5 minus 1. 5 is written as V. Similarly, we can write 6, 7 and 8 by using the letters V and I. 9 is written as IX. That means 10 minus 1. Next is the number 10. 10 is written as X. X means 10. Let's learn Roman numerals from 11 to 19. 11 is written as XI. It means 10 plus 1. 12 is written as XII. It means 10 plus 2. Similarly, we can write 13 by using the letters X and I. 14 is written as XIV. That means 10 plus 4. 15 is written as XV. That means 10 plus 5. 16 is written as XVI. That means 10 plus 6. Similarly, we can write 17 and 18 by using the letters X, V and I. 19 is written as XIX. That means 10 plus 9. We have already learned how the letters I, V and X are used to write the Roman numerals. Now we will use one more letter, that is L. Look at this chart. It shows us how the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 are written. We have already learned Roman numerals from 1 to 19. Let us look at the number 20. It is written as XX. It means 10 plus 10. Let us look at the number 30. It is written as XXX. It means 10 plus 10 plus 10. The next number is 40. It is written as XL. It means 50 minus 10. Lastly, number 50. It is written as single L. The letter L means 50. Let's learn Roman numerals with some examples. Look at example 1. Look at number 22. We need 20 and 2 to write 22. So we write 20 as XX and 2 as II. So 22 is written as XXII. Let us look at example 2. Look at number 38. We need 30 and 8 to write 38. So we write 30 as XXX and 8 as VIII. Therefore, 38 is written as XXXVIII. Let us look at example 3. Look at number 44. We need 40 and 4 to write 44. So we write 40 as XL, L means 50 and X means 10. So 50 minus 10 is 40. And we write 4 as IV. Therefore, 44 is written as XLIV. Let us look at example 4. Look at number 46. We need 40 and 6 to write 46. So we write 40 as XL, L means 50 and X means 10. So 50 minus 10 is 40 and we write 6 as VI. Therefore, 46 is written as XLVI. Let us look at example 5. Look at number 49. We need 40 and 9 to write 49. So we write 40 as XL, L means 50 and X means 10. So 50 minus 10 is 40. And we write 9 as IX. X means 10 and I means 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Therefore, 49 is written as XLIX. Let us look at example 6. Look at number 50. We write 50 as L. L means 50. This is it for today's lecture. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.